In this video, we will discuss revised syllabus of class 12th Computer Science session 2020 to 2021. On the right side of the screen, it is the revised syllabus, and in the left side, old syllabus is there. All the highlighted yellow color mark are the deleted topics. Learning outcomes of the revised syllabus doesn't include recursion. Make use of the concept of efficiency in algorithms and computing in general. As you can see, Q's is also not there in the learning outcomes. There is a bit change in distribution of marks. We have to study all the course covered in class 11th: strings, list, tuples, dictionaries and sorting techniques. There is no change in functions, file handling, text file, binary file, CSV file. In using Python libraries, only we have to import Python libraries. Creating a Python library is not there in revised syllabus. We do not have to study chapter 6 and chapter 7, that is recursion and idea of algorithmic efficiency of Sumita Arora book. We do not have to study simple algorithms with recursion, print a message forever, sum of first n natural numbers, factorial, Fibonacci series, recursion on arrays, binary search and idea of efficiency. In idea of efficiency, performance management in terms of number of operation is not there in revised syllabus. In data structure, queues, insert, delete using a list is not included in revised syllabus. In computer networks, evolution of networking, data communication, transmission media, network devices, network topologies and types, network protocol, mobile telecommunication technologies, in that 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G and 5G, electronic mail protocols, network security concept, there is no change. But in web services, web scripting is not there in revised syllabus, and e-commerce payment transactions using online banking, mobile banking, payment apps and services is also not there in revised syllabus. There is no change in database concepts, relational data model, structured query language, general concepts, advantages of using SQL, data definition, data types, and we have to study also all SQL commands that we have already covered in class 11th, that is in session 2019 to 20. As you know, SQL is not there in this session 2020 to 2021. In Unit 3, Database Management, create table, drop table, alter table, update, set, insert, delete is not there in revised syllabus. And in suggested practical list, recursively find the factorial of a natural number, recursive code to find sum of elements, recursive code to compute nth Fibonacci numbers. There is no change in project work. Now we'll discuss the deleted syllabus of this session. In Unit 1, Computational Thinking and Programming, We do not have to study recursion, idea of efficiency. In data structures, we have to study only one of the data structure, either stack or queue. While setting the question paper, we have to attend only one question. There will be option between stack and queue. In computer networks, web scripting, e-commerce is not there, as we have discussed. In Unit 3, create, drop, alter, update, set, insert and delete is not there. And suggested practical list, recursive is excluded from the syllabus. We do not have to do the programs of recursion. Hope this video is beneficial to you. We'll come up with some new concepts of Python. Thanks for watching the video.